Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my iPhone has been hacked and how you guys can go ahead and fix that. Now, most of the common cases that I actually come across, your iPhone isn't actually hacked, and some of the reasons that make you might think, that your iPhone is hacked is if you guys actually get pop-ups like this. Now, you guys can see that it says my iPhone is infected with like 6 viruses. This is absolutely not true, guys. Do not fall for this. This is a scam. They will make you contact them and they will make you, pull out money and send them money and stuff. And this will not fix anything, right? There's no such thing as viruses on an Apple iPhone, guys. Apple devices have extremely good security, guys. And trust me, there's no way you can actually get hacked with an iPhone. So, the only way you can get rid of this, guys, is just go ahead and tap out of it and just get rid of it, and then even clear your history. Go as far as doing that as well. So, essentially, once you go ahead and do that, guys, that's gonna go ahead and solve your problem. Just don't go visit like very fishy websites and stuff that have like redirect links and stuff. So, this common case when you're maybe surfing through some of those explicit websites, or maybe you have like you went on a website and it just redirected you out of nowhere. That's the common cases. It's just scam websites, right? So if you want to go ahead and clear your history, all you have to do is head over to your Safari, guys. Safari option in the settings. I should be able to find it around here, but go ahead and click Safari and go ahead and clear history and website data, and that'll go ahead and get rid of everything for you. So let's say that you are actually hacked. Let's say that maybe your bank accounts or all of that is getting drained and the hacker is on your phone or something. Let's say your iPhone is moving and maybe something is happening, right? You still have access to the iPhone. I want you guys to head over to the settings and make sure you guys go ahead and click on it. Now you should get the options right here in the settings. Head over to the privacy and security and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says security, and there should be two options. One should be developer mode and lockdown mode. Now you're going to want to go ahead and press lockdown mode. Do not press this whatsoever, guys. This is a clear warning right now. Only use this if you have to, right? Your iPhone will not function as it typically does if you do use this. So go ahead and use it if you actually feel like you are actually being hacked, and if you're actually being tracked and all that stuff and they're stealing your stuff. So actually put this just so they don't get access to all your apps and stuff. So most of the cases you won't actually use this, but that's in case something actually does happen. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Please leave a like on the video if you found this video extremely helpful, guys. But with that being said, please leave a like on the video, subscribe, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.